Digital dentistry and the introduction of new restorative materials offer both dental professionals and their patients many new choices for improved oral health. When it comes to indirect restorations, the new generation of all ceramic materials, represented by lithium disilicate and zirconia, provide exciting new options for just about every type of clinical case. Rotary tooth preparations for lithium disilicate and zirconia restorations with dental cutting instruments like the market-leading two-striper diamond burrs distributed by Premier Dental Products Company do not require new burr designs or tooth prep techniques. Tooth preparation following the material manufacturer's guidelines does require a more refined focus on the selection of the correct diamond burr shapes, with special attention to the dimensions of their working ends. A contiguous margin finish line showing no surface anomalies and adequate occlusal and axial reduction are essential for precise fitting restorations. Two-striper multiple-use diamond burrs have set the standard for quality and performance in the dental space for nearly half a century. Through a proprietary diamond brazing technology, PBS, two-striper burrs feature a select grade of highly faceted diamonds that are permanently bonded to the cutting instrument. These diamonds are optimally concentrated and spaced to provide fast, cool, and consistent cutting, greater control, and tactile feedback. All of which results in the most technologically advanced cutting tool for tooth structure and all restorative materials. Although lithium disilicate and zirconia do not require special diamond designs for reducing tooth structure or placing margin finishing lines, their tough physical properties do require something different to efficiently adjust, atraumatically remove, or effectively gain endodontic access. Designed specifically to grind machinable ceramics in a CAD/CAM milling unit, the innovative friction grip and proprietary design of two-striper ZTECH diamond burrs provide the same robust tool that mills anatomical, smooth restorations out of lithium disilicate and zirconia. Building upon its proven PBS technology, ZTECH's unique diamond characteristics and optimal diamond concentration deliver the proper diamond clearance to minimize clogging and provide cooler material removal. The proprietary diamond grit and unique PBS brazing process in ZTECH burrs are especially effective for finishing and adjusting the seated indirect restoration. Used with light intermittent strokes and full water spray, the instruments leave only minor scratches and minimal surface roughness, which can be easily removed with a simple diamond paste application. The two-striper ZTECH 285.5Z football is ideal for adjusting the occlusal surfaces of posterior restorations or lingual anterior surfaces. The 260.8Z flame is used for adjusting proximal contacts or for minor adjustments to cusps. After finishing adjustments with ZTECH, use Premier Diamond Twist SCO, a fast single-step, single-pace system that features a more dense concentration of optimum-sized diamond grains, 3 microns, than other available polishing pastes. Recommended for the new generation of tougher ceramics like IPS Emax, Bruxer, Zerlux FC, Obsidian, and hybrids like 3M's Lava Ultimate and Vita Enamic Restorative. Diamond Twist easily achieves the final high-gloss mirror polish. It is equally effective for all direct composites. The 770.8Z is recommended to cut off or remove all ceramic crowns and bridges. Two-striper ZTECH will save time and create a better experience for you and your patient. Copious water spray and a secondary water syringe are highly recommended for the removal procedure. Use the 770.8Z to cut sections. Facial and buccal cuts along the center line with an incisal slot will facilitate the use of a wedging instrument to pry off the sectioned restoration. The 260.8Z flame can be used for fragments near the gingiva that do not separate easily. The flat-end taper 703.8Z KR can be used in cases where the original finish line is known to be a shoulder margin, and by following the contour of the original will serve to preserve marginal enamel or dentin. It's important to note that diamond cutting tools will not easily separate metal, so two-striper ZTECH should not be used for cutting metal. PFM removal requires a two-step process. Cut through the outer ceramic layer with a two-striper ZTECH diamond, and when the metal substrate appears, switch to using a carbide instrument to finish the procedure. To preserve an existing restoration, use the two-striper ZTECH 125Z to access the pulp chamber. Complex posterior cases with multiple canals may require several pilot holes made with the 125Z and then joined and opened with the 770.8Z for the widest access area. The journey continues for dental professionals and their patients, from amalgam to composite, from PFM to all ceramic, from conventional impressions to digital scanning. Technological change, new levels of efficiency, improved oral health, and more choices for patients are the only constants. Premier Dental has delivered innovation and advanced technology to dentists around the world for over a century. And two-striper diamond burrs with PBS technology have delivered precise preparations for nearly 50 years and continue to demonstrate cutting-edge innovation. Two-striper ZTECH diamonds, along with the entire line of two-striper diamonds, are available from your preferred dealer.